The charming weekend retreat nestled in Chacras de la Cruz, Capilla del Señor, doesn't just inhabit the landscape, it harmonizes and converses with it. The sprawling windows act as grand canvases, framing the bucolic scenery that seamlessly extends into the interior, sparking the studio's imagination to mirror the rural essence. Crafted in an open, L shape on the ground floor, a central nexus serves as the gateway to this haven. This layout ingeniously segregates the public sphere from the private enclave. Meticulously oriented for optimal energy efficiency throughout seasons, the design amplifies visual vistas of the countryside, effortlessly blending the building volumes into the northern horizon. Casa Vôlt maintains a serene rapport with the street, concealed behind an organic wall of meticulously layered sieved brick. This dual-layered façade creates an inviting intermediate space conducive to flourishing greenery. Inside, the living room boasts an exposed concrete vault, evoking an intimate spatial quest. Illuminated by natural light, it plays the lead role in this sanctuary. This very slab extends horizontally beyond the property, forging a seamless material and spatial continuum. The private quarters, adorned with floor-to-ceiling windows, invite the landscape into each room. A dedicated workspace finds its place within this block. At the home's forefront, adjacent to the entrance, a playful ramp beckons, leading to a verdant terrace. Here, under the vast expanse of starlit skies, a fire pit offers a serene sanctuary. Employing durable, low-maintenance materials, brick, independent concrete structures, PVC carpentry, polished cement floors, and Petaribbi veneered wooden furnishings, Casa Vôlt stands as a testament to enduring quality. Its fundamental ethos: to fashion a sanctuary from the daily grind, inviting weekend escapees to revel in the tranquility and warmth of rural landscapes.